Hello guys, how's it going? Acne is a very annoying problem. People of all ages suffer from this problem, and not only that, the adamant scars that the acne leaves behind is another headache. Those who are suffering from this problem, for them today we present some easy home remedies to clear out their face and get rid of acne scars. To buy any acne scar removal product, jewelry and skin and hair care product, visit our website beautynovel.com. Here you can get any product you may need. First remedy: honey and cinnamon pack. Mix some cinnamon powder with honey and apply to your skin. You can wash it off after 1 hour, or you can leave this overnight. After using this pack for a couple of days, you will notice that the scars have started to fade away. And if you need any acne scar removal product, then check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Second remedy: soda. Mix 2 tablespoons of soda with a little water and apply it to your face. Let it dry, then wash it off with cold water. Using this soda technique twice a week can make your scars go away. Third remedy: tomato juice. Mix some tomato juice with cucumber juice and apply it to your skin. Wash your face after 10 minutes. This pack is so good that it will remove your acne scars as well as your marks of burnt skin. So get back your glowing skin with this remedy and thank us later. And if you need any acne scar removal product, and check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Fourth remedy: lemon. We know lemon is a natural bleach. Mix some water with lemon juice and apply to your skin with a cotton bud for 3 to 4 minutes. If you have a sensitive skin, then you can use rose water along with it. And for better results, you can mix vitamin E capsule in the lemon juice, as it is really beneficial for your skin. Fifth remedy: lemon juice and honey. Mix 1 tablespoon lemon juice and honey with 1 tablespoon almond oil and 2 tablespoons of milk. Then apply it to your face. If you use this pack 7 to 10 days without any break, you will get a better result. If you still got acne in your face, then do not use milk in your pack. And if you need any acne removal product, then check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Sixth remedy: aloe vera. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of honey and ½ tablespoon lemon juice. Leave this for 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. After cleaning your face, use a moisturizer cream. Use this pack twice a week. Seventh remedy: potato juice. This is one of the most effective home remedies for removing acne scar. All you have to do is grate a potato and extract the juice from it. Then massage it to your skin and leave this for half an hour. Use a herbal face wash to wash your face. If you can use potato daily, then you will start seeing the difference from the 15th day. If you are still not getting any improvements by using these 7 remedies, then do check the description down below and watch our product review video. Then you can buy the product and use it. These 7 remedies are believed to be some of the best home remedies for removing acne scar. But you have to remember that not every ingredient suits every skin type, so you must be careful about choosing them. Let us know if you liked our video by commenting down below, and subscribe to our channel Beauty Novel to get more such videos. And do not forget to watch our product review video. Let us know what kind of video you want next. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.